Alright, so today we're going to test out the TAC65 from Tactical Innovations. This is a 22 long rifle suppressor. Right now I'm not going to go over any kind of technical data. I'm just going to go over sound comparison without the suppressor and then with the suppressor. It's going to be mounted onto a Savage Mark II, the FV-SR model, which is short barrel. So right now we're locked and loaded. So this first couple of tries is going to be without the suppressor. Okay, we're locked and loaded. And actually, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, that is the 22 without the suppressor. Just a note, I am using the Remington subsonic ammunition, so it already is not as loud as your regular 22 ammo. Right. So right now I'm going to go ahead and install the suppressor. Go. There's the TAC65. Alright, it's on there good snug. Just chamber another round. Alright, so here we go with the suppressor on it, just for comparison. As you can see, it's similar to an air gun, perhaps a little BB gun or something like that. So, but it does a good job if you do need to be a little bit quieter if you're shooting, someone that doesn't like the sounds of the 22. And there you go.